World Pneumonia Day is a reminder that pneumonia is a leading cause of death worldwide. Every year, millions of lives are lost, especially among children and the elderly. But we can change this. Awareness is key. Simple actions like vaccination and proper nutrition can save lives. Let's talk about the symptoms: cough, fever, and difficulty breathing. If you or someone you know experiences these, seek help immediately. Together, we can fight pneumonia and protect our loved ones. Join the movement this World Pneumonia Day and spread the word. Learn more about Day to Day, Special Day. Subscribe to our channel. Learn Briefing.